Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants. So here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also that bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be in the know. Also in that same area, there is that thumbs up, and that's where you guys come in. If you enjoy the content that I make, please take a second when you arrive to hit that thumbs up. It will turn blue, the number will increase, and that's you helping True Ones get noticed on this huge YouTube platform. So I'm thanking you all in advance for that thumbs up. Okay guys, this is such a treat. This is a box that sometimes gets sent to the channel, and I never know because they do not send us any information prior to. But when it shows up, I cannot wait to open it and share it with you. And what I'm talking about is GlossyBox. This is a box that is so fantastic. I also have a code that I will leave down below. There's a couple of them, but there's one that you can get the box, the first box, for $16, which to me is an absolute steal. These boxes run around $21 if you do it month to month, and it's free ship in the USA. The other thing about GlossyBox is there is a GlossyBox UK and there is a GlossyBox US. And the box that I'm showing you is for the US. So it gets shipped within the US, so we don't pay shipping or have to worry about anything it coming from any other country. So it is so fantastic that this box, they gear it towards the US customer. So I think that's really exciting. Also with this box, it usually comes in a classic pink box. But sometimes periodically they switch up the box, and this is one of the months that they did. And if you're not familiar on my channel, what I do is I open up everything prior to, and I take a picture for my Instagram. So if you're not following me there, you're missing out. It's True Wants with the number 2. And by doing that, I can also go through everything that's in the box, should be in the box, remove any excess packaging, because when I sit down here, I'm talking directly to you and we play with the products. All right, so what I have inside is the brochure, and inside the brochure, they give us some good tips and information, which we will go through, as well as pricing. But in this box, when we opened it up, this month, for the month of May, this one is called Perfectly Imperfect. Is that not fantastic? The name GlossyBox is on the side of the box. Their boxes are always really hardcore boxes that you can use, which I do all the time, to stack products in here. A lot of times I'll put certain lip glosses that are all pink. I'll put ones that are all peach. So I have it all that way. So when they give different colored boxes, that's what I use the different boxes for. But when I open this up, and because I opened it prior to, you're not going to see the presentation, but you will on Instagram. It's covered in a tissue paper with a beautiful bow, and they always match the box. So because this box is in this peach, the bow and the packaging inside, as well as the scrigglies, are all these colors. It is so beautiful. And then on the top, they had this, which was a bunch of stickers that simply say for every rainy day, there's a rainbow. They have self-love, you are enough, and they have it in German as well as French, and those are the stickers that are inside here. They also have some coupons for, for other brands. That this one is for the push-up bra, and then they put a card in here from an eyewear company called Velvet, and it's Velvet Eyewear with a code. So that was something else that was in the box. But when I opened up this box, this is what I mean. The actual symbols that are the GlossyBox logos is inside the box. It is like gorgeous. And then this was insane. This here is an actual mirror that I did not take off the film of it because I don't want to blind anybody, but I was able to take a little bit down to see that it is a full mirror in here. And it has the German, it has the French, and then in English it says you are beautiful in here. So that is, like, to me, such an extra little feature that I have never seen any box do. So really exciting. It's also really exciting that this came so early in the beginning of the month. So if you're interested in this, I haven't even seen any sneak peeks in reference to what was going to be in our box. So you will be able now to know exactly what is going to be in the box, because there usually are no variations with this box. So if you're interested in this, I will leave my links down below so that you'll be able to access the box for $16. All right, so this is what this looks like here. This is the card. We're going to open it up and we're going to go through all the items that are in here. So it's saying, hi Glossies. It says, at Glossy headquarters, we are trying out the newest must-have cosmetics and experimenting with some trending techniques that aim to always help every Glossy feel as happy and confident as possible, with or without their beauty bag in hand. It says, forget perfect, forget beauty ideals. We want you to truly feel wonderful in your own skin and embrace every little bit of yourself. From the parts that you adore to the imperfections you may not always feel so thrilled about. And this month's curation is here to help. So that is written from the GlossyBox team. The first item in here, and you get a mixture of full size as well as sample sizes. And the first one in here looks like it would be a sample size, but it's not. It is a full size. This is from the brand called the Beauty Crop. And they're saying this is the full size. And they're saying this is the BFF Brow Mascara. It is a Grow and Groom Brow Gel. So this is the box that it came in, and this is the component inside. This one says, whether you're going from full glam or a no makeup look, you can always feel a little more confident and well groomed when your brows are. This small yet mighty gel is completely clear, making it suitable for all hair colors, and the super strong hold will let you style your brows however you want, and you will know they are going to stay put. This retails for $8.99. They have a pro tip on here, and they're saying for a laminated look, you can brush the gel in both directions through your brows and directing the brush up and outwards to set it in place. The hottest thing right now, the biggest trend, is taking your eyebrow. I don't do it. It's to me for the younger generation, where it pulls up your eyebrow hairs, and then with a product like this, you will be able to make sure that they stay that way. And this should have a small little, clear little brush in it that will help you comb it through the brows. So that is a really, really nice, and it's right on trend with what is going on right now. The next item in here is from a brand that I love, and I'm so happy so many people are going to have the opportunity to try something from this brand. This is what they're calling a Deluxe Mini, and this is from the brand Aceology, and this is their Rose Petal Mask. It says, from the face mask specialist at Aceology, this hydrating multi-use rose petal mask is perfect for your next self-care day. This is a rose water rich formula that helps to plump your skin while soothing redness and irritation. Plus, it has a silky lightweight gel that also works wonderfully as a moisturizing sleeping mask. That's fantastic. And the MSRP is $19, and I'm sure that is for the full size. And the tip on this is to apply a thick layer to clean skin and leave it on for at least 20 minutes. Or again, you can use it overnight if you prefer. So that is what this looks like here. I did take the safety seal off, which is what I do before I sit down, so that when I'm here, I can easily go through the products with you guys and show you and swatch for you what the products look like. So that is what it looked like, that pink gel. It has a rose scent to it, but it is not that strong. And that is what it looks like there. So we're gonna leave that on because they said you can. The next item in here came, and this was rolling around a little bit in the box, so do not be concerned. It is not glass. It is one of those aerosols. And this one is from this brand called Invisibly Dry Shampoo. The brand is called Nila. This is a new brand to me. This is a full size, and they're saying it is the Invisibly Dry Shampoo. It says, meet your new hero of dry shampoo. This is an ultra lightweight formula that is practically invisible in your hair, yet it easily absorbs oil, leaving you with that just washed feeling. As an added bonus, the Color Guard complex helps to protect your hair from UV radiation, preserving your color for longer. And this is a $22 value. And the pro tip on this is to shake well, part your hair into sections, and spray directly onto your roots. You can also use it on clean hair to make your wash day go further. Well, that's a good tip. All right, let's do a spritz of this so we can see what the scent is. Oh, that's really fresh. That is really, really fresh. I love when they have scents like this because even if you didn't have a chance to wash your hair and you were in an area where my hair always absorbs, and I always tell this story with dry shampoo, that in my younger days, we used to go to clubs and you used to be able to smoke in clubs. And you would get home and your hair would have been beautiful, but it would smell of the smoke and everything from the clubs. And if you had plans to go for brunch the next day on the Sunday, what I would do is always spray a dry shampoo in my hair just to get that scent out and get a fantastic scent in. So that's a good other tip to put in here, that if you used a shampoo or something that you didn't like the scent of it, a good little trick is the dry shampoo. The next item in here is from this brand that I am really falling in love with. It's not an expensive brand, but it is really powerful. This one is from this brand called Daily Concepts. I opened it up, and inside the package, we had this item here, which is a full size, and it came in, so when you open up the package, make sure you be careful. It has one of these little suction cups in it that you're able to put on the wall and then hang this so that it can air dry out, which I think is really an extra little feature that I think is so smart. So this one is called their Daily Body Scrubber. And this one says, show yourself some extra TLC every time you shower. This body scrubber is made from a soft, natural, organic cotton with a soy-based center to create a rich lather when partnered with your favorite body wash. This is a gentle exfoliation that is a great way to wake up and boost your circulation. Like I said, these are fantastic tools and not expensive. This is a $10 value. It says if you tear the top off this packaging positions the suction cup, and you have a reusable caddy to hang in your shower, which is what I shared with you. So fantastic, fantastic. So the next item in here, and this is something that they do in a lot of their boxes, and it makes to me the box worth it before you even have the opportunity to even see what the other gems that are inside here, and it is Elemis. And this is their Pro Collagen Energizing Marine Cleanser. This is such a fantastic product, and if you've never had the opportunity to try anything from Elemis, this product on its own is one that I would highly, highly recommend. And I think the price of this on its own is $18, because I know when I got the larger ones, they ran in the $40 range. So this is a 1 ounce, which will last you, and it is such a treat. This one is, they're calling this a Deluxe Mini, and they're saying part of the cult favorite Pro Collagen range. This gel cleanser effectively removes daily grime, makeup, and impurities while leaving your skin with a youthful glow. There is some lactic acid in here, as well as ferulic acid inside to help gently exfoliate and moisturize your complexion. The pro tip on this is to massage it into your damp skin morning and evening, and then adding more water to create a rich lather. And that was the other thing that I felt. This comes out like almost a gel type formula, and I don't think we took the seal off this one because I have so many of these open. I should have pulled one of mine that I already have. This one, like I said, is so fantastic that I have, whenever I get samples of this, I have one near my tub, I have one in my shower, and then of course I have one where I take my makeup off in the sink. So it comes with a safety seal. I'll just put a little bit here so you can see what the consistency is. It is a clear gel like that. And it has such a fresh scent to it that when you wash your face early in the morning, it wakens you up. It also, when you're taking your makeup off at the end of the day, I always take my makeup off with a different type of cleanser or those makeup wipes or whatever. And then I use this as my final step when I have it on hand, because it leaves your skin so refreshed and so beautiful. It is one that, like I said, if you haven't tried anything from Elemis, this will sell you on their entire line. It is such a treat to get this in the box. And like I said, this alone is $18, and with my link, you can get the whole box for $16, which is absolutely fantastic. So, like I said, you get a full booklet that gives you all the information that I just went through with pricing and everything. And then on top of it, we got these fantastic from the Beauty Crop, the brow. We got a mask in here. We got a hair product. We got a body tool with a suction cup and some skincare. To me, this is a well-rounded box. It is one that I always look forward when they are so generous to send it to True Wants. It is an absolute treat. What's also great about GlossyBox is they also have a lot of limited edition boxes. And if you're a member of them, which is simply by subscribing to their box, when those limited edition boxes come out, they come out at a price that you get a discount on, and yet other people that don't get the box can still access the website and get the box, just not at that discounted price, but it is still an absolutely fantastic price. So I enjoy the GlossyBox. I think it is fantastic, and I love that this is the GlossyBox for USA. So I will make sure to leave that in my title so that others will know. So that when you're searching, make sure that if you're looking for the box and you live in the United States, that you're looking for GlossyBox US. And that's it for today, guys. So take care, everybody. Share in the comments down below how you feel about this box, and I will see you all soon again in my next video. Bye for now.